Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing an ant. First, we're gonna draw the head. The head is the shape of triangular shape, but it's a bit round. And then we're gonna draw the eye, a big one, and the sparkle. Just 2 circles inside the eye and an oval for the rosy cheek and also the mandible. Now draw the antennae. 2 antennae. Oval for the thorax. And then draw 3 sets of legs. Don't worry, we're gonna color it black so you cannot see the lines on the thorax. 3 legs on this side and another 3 legs on the other side so it looks smaller. Done with the leg, let's draw the abdomen. And then the segment on the abdomen. And now it's done, we are ready to color. Color the eye black and also the antennae, the mandible, and the legs. Use the darkest color of red or brown around the abdomen, the segment lines, the thorax, and also the head. Just leave the inside part white because we're gonna fill it with red color, and pink for the rosy cheeks, and then we fill all the white part red and mix it. And it's done. Don't forget to put away all the crayons or colored pencils. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.